Hello, my friends and good children of P2 and P1. Are you there? I hope you are attending. Thank you. Welcome to this lesson, lesson 17 of English. Yes, last time when I was here, we looked at the verbs where we remove Y, we replace it with I, then we add ed. Okay? So that means we add IED to the verbs. Do you remember? Yes. Now I left you with an exercise, a simple one. And I said that exercise, the verbs were the verbs we learned. Okay? You were supposed to remove the Y, only removing the Y, replace it with I, and add ed. I hope that is what you did. Let's look at the exercise. Number 1. He dashed the cat in the box. Look at this word. What do we do? The word is carry. Carry. We'll drop this Y, we'll replace it with I, and add ed. And what does it say? Carried. And it is, he carried the cat in the box. When was that? It might be yesterday, last week, last year, or last Monday. Okay. Number 2. She dashed for a new job last year. What is this word? Apply. And what do we do? Did you remove this Y? Yes. Replace it with I, then add ed, and the word becomes applied. Let's see the sentence. She applied for a new job last year. Number 3, the corn dash in the garden. Look at the word. What's that word? Dry. What do we do? Remember? The word should be dried. Can you spell it? D-R-I-E-D, because we have removed the Y. And what's the sentence? The corn dried in the garden. Good. Number 4, are we together? Yes, good children. Mary dashed for breast milk yesterday. What's this word? Cry. What do we do to this Y? Yes, we remove the Y, replace it with I, and add ed. What is the word? The word is cried. Let's read the sentence. Let's put it here. Mary cried for breast milk yesterday. Can you imagine Mary crying for breast milk? Oh. He was dashed last Sunday. Berry. He was dashed last Sunday. What do we do here? You remember? Remove the Y, add I-E-D. And let's read the sentence. He was buried last Sunday. Buried. She dashed to run fast, but she failed. What is the word? Try. What do we do to the Y? We remove it, replace it with I, then ed, and the word is tried. Tried. T-R-I-E-D. Let's read the sentence together. She tried to run fast, but she failed. That was the simple exercise that I gave you last time, and I hope you have done it very well. Good children have done it. Now, today, we are looking at verbs that have the last letter doubled. There are those verbs that have the last letter doubled. Why is it doubled? Because it has CVC. What is CVC? Consonant, vowel, consonant. The word ends with this. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay? This is the consonant, this is a vowel, this is a consonant. So when a verb is like this, we double the last letter. This is the PP. We have doubled here before we add ed. Okay? Okay, let's look at the examples. Mop. Mop becomes mopped. Do you see how we have doubled? Yes, because it has vowel, consonant, vowel. Another word is slap. Slap. What does it become? Slapped. Don't forget to double. Hop. Hopped. Rub. Rubbed. Skip. Skipped. Stop. Stopped. Clap. Clapped. Jog. Jogged. Drop. Dropped. Scrub. scrubbed, chop, chopped, admit, admitted, wrap, wrapped. Who can use this in a sentence? The teacher wrapped our books yesterday. I wrapped my book last week. Okay? All right. Fit, fitted, grab, grabbed, plan, planned, prefer, preferred, step, stepped, tap, tapped, can, canned, like the canned milk, the canned fish, the canned meat. Yes. Tin, tinned. Okay? And very many others. Okay? Yes. Now, this activity is very simple. After looking at all those verbs that we first double the last letter, I have given you a simple exercise. Remember the verb in brackets, you double the last letter before you add ed and put it there. Okay? This word is mop, rub, slap, prefer, and wrap. Okay? So make sure you do this exercise very well. Don't forget to double the last letter as good children, as we have learned. Okay? And I will be happy with you when you do the exercise very well. Meet next time. Thank you very much. Stay well.